How to ship and receive products. Handling procedures for shipping and receiving products can take time and effort. Information and shipping instructions must be clear and precise to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Here's a guide to shipping and receiving products like a pro. Inspecting the shipping condition. Whether shipping or receiving, you need to check that your products are packaged and secured to ensure they arrive safe and sound. Check for signs of damage on the package, including any dents, tears, or other deformities. Documenting the shipping process. When shipping products, it's important to document all shipping details, such as package weight, the shipping method chosen, and estimated delivery time. It helps ensure that your product arrives on time and in its original condition. Other shipping documents to include are shipping insurance and shipping terms to protect you from any issues that may arise. Tracking shipping and delivery. When shipping products, it's important to track their shipping progress. It helps you keep an eye on where your product is and ensures that it will arrive in time for its destination. For receiving shipments, tracking can ensure that you get your product as soon as possible. Ship with confidence and never worry about your products again. To make this process easier, we have an excellent tool to help you follow the progress of your shipment every step of the way. This tool leverages technology to give you complete visibility throughout each step of your shipment's journey. To learn more about this tool, continue on. Affiliate disclaimer. Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Thank you. Learn more. Motive has everything you need to ensure that your delivery goes off without any hitches. With their easy-to-use app, drivers can track hours and get an inspection report on the go. No more wasted time or stressed-out customers. Check out Motive today. If you want to learn more about logistics, check out our previous video.